Welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to sticky your sidebar. And if I go to the browser and refresh it, now you can see the page, and here you can see we have a sticky sidebar, but the sidebar is not sticky, right? So if you want to make your sidebar sticky, so you just have to add 2 lines of CSS code, and let me show you where. Let's say here you can see my sidebar is this one. Okay, so here I have a class sidebar, so let me just copy this class and I will go inside style tag, and here I will do CSS for sidebar. So here you can see I have added sidebar here as a class, so I have to put here dot and then sidebar, and then you can see I have added width, background color and padding. Now let's say I want to make it sticky. So what I have to do, I have to just mention here position sticky and one more line, that is top 0. That's it. If I refresh it, now here you can see our sidebar is sticky now. So this is how you can make your sidebar sticky, and this will work also for the footer, header and everything. You just have to put these 2 lines. One is position sticky and another one is top 0. So if this video is helpful for you, make sure to give a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.